Hey guys, my name is Alexandria and welcome back to Shy Ranger and Alexandria. I know it's been a while since I posted because this year's been a little tough, but this week is Christmas and I'm so excited. So today I'm gonna show you by making my homemade cinnamon rolls, and maybe you'll try some too sometime. It should be easy to make. So anyways, let's get started.
Yay!
Alright, so the first thing you'll need is a stand mixture, and you're gonna add a 1/4 cup of warm water. Right?
Yes.
Then you're going to add 1 packet of active dry yeast in there. And then you're going to get 1 teaspoon of sugar and just pour it in. And you're gonna use a fork and you're gonna mix it. Okay, I know it's not much, but it will work. So after you're done mixing this, you're gonna let it sit for 10 minutes and then we'll do the next part.
Okay.
The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna get a saucepan and you're gonna get 3/4 cup of milk. And you're gonna get the remaining of 1/3 cup of sugar, because we already got a teaspoon out of it, so the rest goes in here. And 1/3 cup of butter. A 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Looks good.
While you're stirring this, you're gonna make it heat on this thermometer to 120 to 130 degrees on here.
Good.
Do you see the pan too? Well,
Yeah, looks great.
I'm going to add this milk mixture in the bowl of the yeast mixer that we did earlier. Then we're gonna add 2 eggs, warm temperature in. And then we're going to add 2 cups of flour in here. We would probably add more flour in after that. We're adding a 1/2 cup of flour until it turns into a dough like that.
Looks yummy.
Alright, so we did 1 cup and it's 3 cups already, so we're gonna add another 1/2 cup or 2 more and then we'll show you when it's done.
Yum.
Now that the dough's done mixing, we used 4 cups of flour and a 1/4 cup in, so we're gonna need this for 4 minutes to 8 minutes like this. That's how you do it.
Perfect. Oh.
After we knead the dough for about 4 minutes, we're going to put this towel on top of here and we're gonna let it rise for 1 hour.
Good.
Alright, so now after it rises for about an hour, we're gonna take the dough and we're gonna roll it by 12 by 15.
12 by 15. Yay. Looks really good.
So the next thing we're gonna do is we're making the filling, so we have half a cup of butter, right?
Yes.
Then we're gonna add 1 cup of brown sugar in there. Then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon in there. Now we're gonna mix all the ingredients in here together like this.
Looks yummy.
Now we're gonna spread this cinnamon sugar mixture. And we're gonna spread it on here. Excited?
Yeah, looks great. It's gonna be so yummy.
So now that we spread the cinnamon sugar on there, we're gonna roll the dough from the longest side and fold it like this.
Perfect.
Yeah. Is it like this?
Looks great.
And then after you roll it, we will cut it to 15.
Slices.
Now we're gonna cut it by 1 inch each, so that should make 15. So, like here.
Perfect. Yep, wherever the one is. Yep. Nice. Looks good.
Alright, so now we're gonna add these cinnamon rolls, 3 and 5, like that.
Looks good. Perfect.
So we just got done putting the cinnamon rolls in a pan, and we got an extra one, so we have 16 instead of 15. So we're gonna cover it with this, and we're gonna let it rise again for 30 to 45 minutes like that, in a warm place.
In warm place.
Alright, so now that they're done rising, you're gonna brush this with a little bit of milk on the rolls like this.
Perfect.
Now we're gonna mix the frosting with a fork like this. And just mix it until it's smooth.
Looks good.
Once the frosting's done, place frosting on the cooled cinnamon rolls. Does it look good?
Yep.
These are all done, and that's what it should look like. I must have put too much frosting, but if you like extra frosting, you can put it on, but light, it's okay too, whatever. So I'm gonna cut one, okay?
Okay.
Can't wait to try it.
Looks good. Is it good?
Really good.
Good. Looks good.